Okay, so I'm still on the review of the Hoover SmartWash, and I hope the camera can pick this up at least somewhat so you can see the difference between this side that I have gone over once, this side I have not touched yet. I'm afraid the camera's not picking it up as well as I would like to, but there's a significant difference. And also, not only in the cleaning, but if you'll look on, let's see, here where I haven't done, you can see I've got these little, like, you know, fuzzy things that are all over the carpet. And then on the parts that I have cleaned, they're still there, but they are a lot less prominent. And I think if I go over it one more time, that it might alleviate most of those. So far, I am really impressed with how good this is cleaning, and would highly recommend. I'll continue to post as I go along.
Literally